Okay, we've arrived. Okay, so today I'm giving a tutorial on how to navigate through the old Makerpen UI. Okay, so we're gonna go navigate through that. I'm gonna show you guys how to do some stuff and all that. So starting off, we pull out your Makerpen. I have it favorited, so also that. And if you don't already know how to pull it out, just open up your watch as so on meow.net. Click this. You'll see it right here, and you can click the use button. I have it favorited, so I can just pull it out on my back. And you grab it. Now pull out your Makerpen. You have edit, create, select, move, rotate, scale, write, configure, clone, recolor, and all these. And basically, you can use this. Okay, so make invention. It'll show up this little. Open up your palette thing right here. You'll see this. This will show you how much you have selected. So let's use something as an example. This basketball hoop right here that I made. Never mind. What's something good I can do? Here, let's just get this invention. It's already an invention, but okay. So when you select it, it'll show this. You click next. It'll give you all this crap. You take a picture, boom, bada bing, confirm it. Then it should open up right here. And then you made your invention, you can publish it and all that. Now though, the next thing, you have this. This one, which you can use. I use it all the time. You can move stuff like so. Works sometimes if you're just doing it like that. Yeah, like if you are editing or something, you can just like click scale and do that, but I'm just used to this. Delete. You already probably know how this works. You delete stuff, you can click undo. This is a redo, so you can reappear what you just did. So that's your last action. So there's that. And next, also, this what it does. So what I'm used to doing is just throwing away my Makerpen to finish editing. But really, it's just a done editing button. You just click that. So you still have your Makerpen open. Next thing is freeze. Freeze, some people use for like if they don't want to click on something on accident while doing something, having your Makerpen out and accidentally grab something like so. You can freeze it, and you can't grab it. And if you try to select it too, you can do this, and you can also unfreeze it to click it double times. Next, you have recolor. When you click so, there is the shapes menu. You have tube, ribbon, cube, all these. I'm just trying to make this short. Okay, there's these. These are materials. Sometimes you want to get into dark sometimes, or just a certain light. That's carpet, cloth, all these. These are all the materials. There's the eyedropper right here. So if you want to get a color you want, I'm pretty sure you do this or something. Oh yeah, so it says right here. You got to use the contact menu. I'm still going to use this, in all this. This is so you like save your colors and all that, and look at them. Colors. These are all your colors that you have. I'll try to get over here. There's all your colors right there. Shows you your colors. This is the gadgets menu. And basically gizmos, circuits, whatever you want to call them. There's CV2 too. I'll add this part. There's the CV2. You can click that button. Shows all your CV2 stuff you have. And there's some stuff like logging. Use all that. It's the settings tab. This is all your settings. You can go through and cut them on. This is the delete everything. Well, you already know how this is going to work. If I click so, deletes everything. New rec room kind of just takes a while. But yeah, play gizmos. This will play all the gizmos in the room. Reset will reset them back to their final position. There's all these. This is for like tube. All this stuff, self scale and all that. Inventions. These are all the inventions. So I'll just spawn in this one right here for our tutorial.
This is how to put a Fortnite Chug Jug in Rec Room Nut Clip Pate Gone Wrong Cops called Grandma Involved.
That's how you spawn it in. Now next. These are certified. There's not really any right now, but this is like Rec Room certified inventions. Like by Rec Room certified. This is, when you click this, we'll open up your store, show you all these inventions. And there's me. You can buy that if you want, 16 already on it. Very cool. Open up your palette. There's also stuff like search. This will search everything here. Paste. That's actually clipboard. Clipboard is, for instance, when let me get like something out. Let's get create open. So let's say I got this. I want to copy this button actually. I could have just searched it up, but we can just take this button right here. Grabbing is a bit broken as you can see, but when you select on it, you can do this. You'll see a copy button. When you click that, it will show right here in your clipboard. You can click like so and spawn it in. I kind of like that. Also, there's that. I think it's stuck there actually. So yeah, these are the props for weapons, sports stuff, decor, kitchen items, toys. You can think of like confetti and all that. Creative furniture and dynamic that are all these like type of stuff you can use for gizmos. And there's that part. Let me get like a cube up in here. You can grab it. It will glitch out if you don't. There, right? Yeah, oh yeah, this. So grid. Who is this guy? Hold up. Grid. If you want in like a certain position, it will. If you go slow, it does it by inches, like little tiny inches. Surface. If you were to spawn something, like I use it for outlines, it will go on the surface. Some older versions, it's glitched out to where it's like this, but you can grab it and then it will go on the wall and like that. Off is just none of these, and it's just normal. It's like that. Bounce, see, bounce, see, bounce, see. There, next. Next. There's the scale. Scale it up. There is the configure. You can configure like so. You can change it to sticky. That is going to be sticky, so it sticks on whatever object. And we can show this by making it grabbable and sticking it on my arm like so. And then there's physical. That makes this a physical item like so. Decoration people use this. It's so that it's just go through. And also it's kind of good for less ink usage. And entertainment, that is just going to be not go through. There's stuff like climbable here. You can climb like so. There is support wall run, so you can like run up and like slide on it. You know what I mean? There is support like teleporting as that. This is like I'm guessing all that you can look at and create a key if you want to like sell stuff. Tags, you can add tags to find it later. Freeze it, you can freeze it through here, so it's already frozen. Respawn to make it respawn once in a while, and hide your games to hide when there's like a start game thing. Also, I forgot to say this. Since this version, you can do this. This little thing does that. This will restart it to its first position. This will collapse it. This will collapse. This will enlarge everything. This is the. Oh wow, that voice crack. This is that. You can do this to pin it in that one spot. This is to lock it. Or that. And next we have wire. I showed this before. So let's get something like a clamp. Actually, let's just get an animation chip. I just fast. And you can wire, the wire stuff you can do. Edit. This is a good spot to do edit. Edit. You can edit stuff like so. So if it's like that, you can open up your watch. It will show something cool. For this, I will like so just make a little animation, and we will get a configure on like so. Click that. That's our animation. You can configure on the chip. You can change it up. That's our animation. Create. You can click that. It automatically opens up your palette. Spawn in stuff. You can spawn in crap and all that. Select. You can select on objects like so. So you can select, and then yeah. So if you want to clone, if you want to clone these two too, so you can click clone like so and clone it. Two separate objects. And there's rotate. So you can rotate objects. You can just click it like so if you want. Just click it, and this will make it go, and, and you can just do this, and it would just do whatever. And then last but not least, the move. This, you can move it. I rather don't hold it down though. That's what I used to do, but you can like just, you can go up. This is an animation, so it won't really do it. So I'll do this real quick. You can move it. This will make it so you can hold it down and move like so. A wall, just different ones. And there's that. These are to modify the object in a world space, and gadgets are visible in the room when you have your Makerpen out. But yeah, that is it for today. My next video would probably be like navigating, going through room settings, probably like room settings of a room. I'll probably do that next. But yeah, thanks for watching.